Okay. Question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to B and from B to C. First he went from A to B. A to B. Then he went from B to C. And that C A is 7.5 kilometer from B. Means A to B is 7.5 kilometers and B to C is 12.7 kilometers. Now, distance traveled by Dinesh. Distance traveled by Dinesh is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC. What is AB? 7.5 kilometers. Kilometers plus 12.7 kilometers. Add these two. What we will get? 20.2 kilometers. Okay. Distance traveled by Dinesh is AB plus BC. 7.5 kilometers plus 12.7 kilometers. Addition is 20.2 kilometers. Now you have to find the distance traveled by Ayub. Distance traveled by Ayub. See here, Ayub went from A to D. A to D and D to A. A to D is 9.3 kilometers. That is AD plus DC. AD is 9.3 kilometers and DC is 11.8 kilometers. Addition of these two is, add these two will get 21.1 kilometers. See here, distance traveled by Ayub. Distance traveled by Ayub is A to D and D to C. A to D is 9.3. D to C is 11.8. Addition is 21.1 kilometer. Distance traveled by Dinesh is 20.2. Distance traveled by Ayub is 21.2. Who traveled more here? Ayub traveled more. By how many kilometers we have to find? For that we have to do the subtraction. Okay. Here Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometer. Hence, see here, first write Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometers. Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometers. Okay. Then hence Ayub traveled more distance. Because he traveled 21.1 kilometer. We have to find the difference. 21.1 minus 20.2. So 0.9 kilometers. Therefore, Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometers more than Dinesh. See here. First we find here distance traveled by Dinesh and Ayub. You have to compare these two. He traveled more. By how much means we have to subtract 21.1 in 21.1 and 20.2. It is greater, so we have to keep it first. Then we have to subtract, we will get 0.9 kilometers. So Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Question number 8. Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 grams mangoes. Two persons are here. Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 4 kg 250 grams mangoes. Sarala bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 grams bananas. Who bought more we have to find here. Total fruits bought by Shama we have to find first. Total weight of fruits bought by Shama is equal to 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 grams. Okay, we have to add these two. What we will get? 8 kg 550 grams. 8 kg 550 grams means 8 kg plus 550 divided by 1000 kg. Okay, 8 kg plus 0.550 kg. Add these two will get 8.550 kg. Total weight of fruits bought by Shama is 8.550 kg. Total weight of fruits bought by Sarala is equal to total weight of fruits bought by Sarala is equal to 4 kg 800 grams plus 4 kg 150 grams. 4 kg 150 grams. You have to add these two. We will get 8 kg 950 grams. Okay. Now 8 kg plus 950 by 1000 kg is equal to 8 kg plus 0.950 kg. Add these two, we will get 8.950 kg. Compare the weight of fruits brought by Shama and Sarala. Sarala bought more. They here see 8.550 kg fruits bought by Sarala. It is and 9.550 kg bought by 8.550 kg fruits bought by Shama and 8.950 kg bought by Sarala. Therefore, Sarala bought more fruits. Okay. Then last one is a homework. Question number 9. Do as a homework. Okay. Question number 2 as homework. Write the homework in the classwork. That completes the exercise 2.5. Complete the classwork. Write neatly. Okay.